Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to discuss XRP conduct machine learning based price forecast, regression analysis, accumulation strategies for XRP. None of the content is financial advice. Over the last 24 hours or so, XRP has rallied by about 30%. You can see right now at around 94% rally over the last 7 days. Price above $1.07, market cap above 60 billion, volume above 15 billion, which is about 25% of the overall market cap. In terms of max supply, XRP does have a max supply of 100 billion, out of which about 56% is in circulations, very close to the threshold of 60-65% that we have on the channel, where if the circulating supply is above 60 to 65% of the max supply, that means going forward the impact of token related inflation causing a rift between market cap growth and price growth is minimal. Right now you can see over the last year or so, this is the price chart, and if we toggle that between the price view and the market cap view, you're essentially getting a same chart, again slight differences, but again the history of, let's say, since November, when market cap grew from 29 billion to about 60 billion, price also grew from about 50 cents to about $1.15 right now. And in terms of the XRP's key valuation, in terms of their weekly candles and the Fibonacci based retracement, the current levels to watch for from the peak of about of the previous market cycle in 2021, up about $2, exactly $1.98, to the bottom of about 30 cents. In terms of the Fibonacci level, the retracement has been at around 50% of the move has been retraced. Right now the price is close to the $1.13. You can see the price updated right now at around $1.15 over here. That represents the move from two Fibonacci levels higher than what XRP was doing at the beginning of this week, where the price was at around 53 cents. At that point, the price was lower than the 0.23 fib level. Now the rally has taken the 0.23 level as well as 0.38 level. Now the price is close to the 0.5 Fibonacci level at around $1.13. So in an event of pullback, of a cool down and a pullback, the 93 cents level should provide some support that corresponds to the 0.38 Fibonacci level, if not the 69 cents. And if the rally were to continue, that is to the up, if the prices were to rally, the key valuations are at the 0.618 Fibonacci level, corresponding at around $1.33, and then this 0.78 fib level at around $1.62. Those are the key levels to watch in the medium term. Whereas in the longer term, if we were to look at XRP and think that if XRP were to make a new all-time high, take out the 2021 market cycle high and rally beyond that level, the 1.618 fib level is coming in at around $3. That would represent XRP and its 1.618 level, which is again a conservative rally estimate from the previous all-time high of about $1.98. The moderate target for XRP is this 2.168 Fibonacci level, corresponding price at around $4.72, and the higher end of the forecast at around $6.41 for XRP in the coming bull run. You can see XRP did not make a new all-time high from its previous high of 2018 in 2021. Again, there could be several reasons. One of the reasons related to its litigation, but right now you can see that on its 20-week moving average and the 21-week exponential moving average, the prices have meaningfully broken out. Now that we have covered XRP in that in the technical sense, now we'll conduct some machine learning based price forecast and provide the findings. These are the weekly price of XRP. You can see it has been in a serious uptrend since 2022 June, set of higher lows, and also potentially higher highs, now that we are the previous high of about 76 cents back in June 2023 has been taken out. The one standard deviation ceiling is also taken out for this week at around $1.02, but again these are weekly averages. Although right now the price is higher than $1.02, the weekly average I believe would be less than $1.02, because now we are almost towards the end of this week. If this one standard deviation bull case were to pan out, again this is calculated using the historical price action and using machine learning models combination of ARIMA, LSTM and XGBoost. The bull case scenario is between $1.02 and about $3.18. This is at one standard deviation bull rally, which is again kind of parabolic but not as euphoric as the 2 standard deviation one, which is a Euphoria case for XRP. If that were to pan out, the price action could be between $1.18 all the way to about $15. Again, right now we are operating within this non-euphoria bull rally for XRP. That makes the most sense to follow. Also the pink model, which is a trend-based model, which helps us provide the directionality of the likely price action for XRP. The directionality is up. That means even if there are not significant bullish or bearish narratives in the market, the price action itself has the bias to trend up with time. Also, if in a correction kind of environment between now and April of 2025, price action could be between 40 cents and about 76 cents for XRP. And now that we have covered that, we'll briefly look at some of the analytics related to cryptos, the CryptoTLDR, as well as some of the popular narratives in the market. This is again right now the risk levels of a top 100 cryptos by market cap at coming in at around 36% risk. So again, the overall crypto market is not as overheated as you can see during some of this yellow, orange and red zones, where the market gets overheated and there is a chance of a cool down. Like the highest that we went this year was at around 40% or to 41% risk in early March and middle of March, as well as towards the end of March of 2024. Now we are still in this green zone between 0.2 and 0.4 risk. What this means that although the market has rallied, but the rallies overall for the top 100 cryptos by market cap have not been as astronomical as they were back in 2021. So in terms of some of the news and sentiment over the last 24 hours, most of the narratives are bullish. You can read up on them. This is all of the content is available on cryptoweeklies.com, the link on the bottom of your screen. You don't have to sign up or pay for anything. The overall sentiment is greatly bullish at around 86% overall sentiment. That means between 0 and 100, it's close to 100. And again, you can evidence that with respect to the coin market caps, fear and greed index also coming in at around 85. But this is more towards the social sentiment based on the social media related posts related to cryptos. In terms of the word clouds which help us determine some of the popular narrative in the market, Bitcoin definitely the top popular narrative. The bullish narratives are gearing up some attention, as well as XRP, that the crypto that we are discussing today has a presence of this on this word cloud. That means discussions related to XRP and its breakout are garnering attention in terms of the social media. Apart from that, again, some of the cryptos which were part of this news cycle related to US based cryptos and their potential tax exemption related discussion, Hedera, Cardano, as well as some of the altcoins and meme coins are also garnering some attention. But again, now that we are discussing more related to XRP, let's go ahead and conduct this regression based analysis. Again, these are the weekly candles for XRP. Around that weekly candles, this is the pink line which represents the polynomial regression based fair value for XRP. Again, this is a non-linear regression function where in the bear market the fair value of XRP goes down with time and in bull market goes up with time. Again, the market has shifted its sentiment from bearish to bullish for XRP again as late as in February of 2024. Right now the fair value per this polynomial regression analysis at around 62 cents. That represents the price has moved slightly higher than the 1 standard deviation residual on this one. But again, you can see during the euphoric phases of the market cycle, the 1 standard deviation and the 2 standard deviation are usually taken out. This 2 standard deviation residual on XRP right now is at around $1.43, and the 3 standard deviation residual is at around $2.20. So that those are the 3 levels to watch for XRP at this point. And again, if there are corrections, the major support at around the fair value at around 62 cents. This is the regression based analysis for XRP. Now that we have done that, we will conduct the accumulation based strategies. We have 3 models and also a composite model which provides this estimate bull target for or bullish target for XRP in the coming bull run. The SMA model based on the color codes are based on the risk levels, which are calculated based on how the price is doing with respect to the 20-week simple moving average. The color codes are available over here. The lower the risk levels over here, the better the time to dollar cost average XRP. And also this model can be used to avoid dollar cost averaging at let's say more than 50% risk. If you are of the opinion that you don't want to DCA whenever the prices are in a parabolic risk level, you can see you are essentially avoiding in this grayed out zone, as well as some of if more conservative than that, again only when the risk levels is less than 20%, again DCAing only during this this level again helps us tune out DCAing at some of the overvalued phases of the market. Again, you can use this to postulate what the price could do in the next 20 weeks or so. Per this model, the price action right now represents about a between 40 to 45% risk. Now that we are between $1.10 and $1.16, the lofty goal per this model for the moderate price target per this model is between 0.6 and 0.8 risk. At that risk level, the price action between $1.36 and $1.63 for the upcoming 20 weeks for XRP, and some of the higher end target for XRP in the next 20 weeks between $1.69 and $1.89. This is one way to forecast. Again, we have another and also deal with accumulation related curiosity, as well as the DCA based model, which instead of distance between the 20-week helps postulate what could be the risk level based on the polynomial regression analysis that we just saw at a weekly level. This is operating at a daily level, and based on the proportional and time adjusted distance between the regression line and the price, the risk levels are assigned between 0 and 1. The key idea again being the same, DCAing out during the risk level instead of DCAing in. You can see that when to DCA out, you can kind of make your assumptions that whenever the risk levels are more than 0.5, you're basically having a decent chance to dollar cost average out of the market per this model. Right now, if we get rid out of all the risk levels and identify the current risk regimen, that is XRP is definitely not between 0.0 and 0.1 risk that usually happens during the end of the bear market per this model. Again, the second best model, a range of where accumulation made most sense, was all the way back in November of 2024 per this model. Back the last day was November 5th of 2024. Again, I believe that was the election day. Back then the risk levels were less than 20%. Now again a slightly higher rally between 20 to 30%. Again, not in that phase, but definitely you can see so at the price action is between 40% and 50% risk per this model, close to the blow off top phases historically speaking, but not at the actual blow off top. At the actual blow off top, usually the risk levels are slightly higher, that is at least between 0.8 between 0.5 and 0.8 risk level. That's usually where you find an eventual top. Again, right now per this model, again this is a very conservative model, the risk levels at this point in time is at around 75%, the lofty target being at around $1.43. That would correspond to about the highest end of the risk band per this model. The last but not the least is the time weighted average price model, and then we'll have the estimated bull target. This helps us determine a zone where whenever the prices are below this blue line, which represents a time weighted average price, The risk level again color coded in the same fashion, the purple color being the lowest risk right now for this model at around $1.05. The time weighted average price based risk level, if we get rid of the other two, helps us identify again the risk level at around 65%, and to come up with an estimated bull run target for XRP based on these three models, again price at around $1.06, regression or DSA, the DCA risk that we discussed at around 40%, the time weighted average price risk at 53%, SMA risk at around 40%, weighted risk at around 44%. If we apply that framework and create an expected value based bull run target for XRP at around $2.28, that represents a reward of about 2.15x from here. And with this, I would like to conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.